If you're lazy like me, you don't edit your videos. But don't worry, now that AI exists, you can be lazy and have your videos still edited by AI. And actually, this video you're watching right now was completely and utterly edited with AI. And I know you don't believe me, but that's why I've organized for you a quick demo. I'm going to literally grab a file, as you can see over here, and I'm going to drop it into a folder on my computer. And this software called ZippyClip is going to literally edit the video according to a preset prompt that I wrote once and now edits all my videos. And that's not all. Once it's finished editing the video, it's literally going to publish it into all of my channels. That includes YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X, which is absolutely incredible because I'm the lazy type. I'm not the type to edit my videos. Look at my history. You'll see before this app existed, I wasn't editing anything. So as you can see, it's grabbed the transcript, it's ready to edit, and there's a one-click pro edit button over here, as you can see right above my head. Not sure if you can see it, the yellow one. You can either click that or you can just create an automation. At the top of the screen up here is an automate button, which allows you to create automations. So what you can see on your screen right now is the prompt I use for every video I want to edit. It's a very specific prompt and it's my editing style. See, your editing style might not be the same as mine. So your master prompt is going to be different, and you only have to ever write this prompt once, and that's it. You can save it in an automation, and every time you create a new video, it will run this prompt. Now, what can this app do? It can cut parts of the video based on the prompt. So you can say, cut out only the funny parts, the most viral parts, the most high value parts, and it will do that. You can say, put subtitles behind my head, and it will put subtitles behind your head. You can say add sound effects, add music, depending what music you like. You can actually choose the music that's available to this AI video editor, and I'll show you right now what's available by default. You go to your preferences and you go to sound effects or background music, and you can see all the different options. Let me just let it find the speaker. You can see there's a scanner finding. So here's all the different music. Now you can actually add your own music on the top right over here. If you have any songs that you prefer to use, perhaps you've made a song on Suno, you can add it so that the AI can choose it. Look how amazing it's got all of these. You can actually switch some of them off so the AI never uses them, like if there's songs you really don't like. The same thing for sound effects. Check out this hook sound effect. Absolutely insane. And the AI can choose all of these depending on your prompt. So you can also add your own and send when the AI should use it, and that's it. So what you can actually do is build your own custom AI workflow for video editing. And the reason why this is so amazing is because people that are lazy like myself would never create an effect like that on a video, and would never really work like over time to make sure the video is perfect. This would be perfect for you. So as you can see, there's subtitles aren't in the perfect location where I would have preferred them. So I'm actually going to choose myself where to put the subtitles. I'm going to choose this and then I'm going to make it a bit bigger, and then they just come up nicely right behind me, and then I'm going to click apply, and that's it. Now it's going to put all the subtitles behind my head because that's what I want. That's my editing style. Absolutely fantastic. So if you want this tool, just type link in the description and I'll send you a link to it. It's completely free to try. You even get some API tokens. You don't have to pay for them. You could probably edit about 5 videos for free using this to see if it works for you. And remember what you're saving. Instead of paying $100 or spending 5 hours editing your videos, it's time to let AI do the work. So if you're lazy like me, grab this while you still can, because I'm sure it's going to start costing a lot more in the future, and get started editing so your videos get more views, which means more clients. See you in the next video, and bye for now.